y'all doing? We told you we had to go shopping. So this is the jacket that I bought. I love that it has reinforced elbows. It has this lining in the back of it to help it not stick to you. You know, when it's humid and whatnot. And it has vents here. All kinds of pockets. I mean, this is fantastic. Look here. Even has pocket. Oh, I have a pocket for my lipstick. Woohoo! And my keys. I love it. And, oh, no pockets over here. Oh, up there. Cell phone. Woohoo! This is a very nice jacket. It was not cheap. And it's called Naturals. It will do the trick for Alaska, for sure. And then I bought some North Face shorts. These are fantastic. So comfortable. Oh my gosh. And they are, let's see, what are they made of? Made in Jordan. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't say. But they're like silky. I love them. It's a blend, a polyester blend. Really nice shorts. Really nice. And of course, I bought me a Yellowstone t-shirt from Murdoch's and a Mountain Mama t-shirt. This is a Life is Good t-shirt. They're great too. They're a blend also. And I bought these sweatpants. Oh my God, these things are fantastic. Fantastic. So comfortable. And they have the gather at the foot, but it's not real tight. And these are, oh, they're cool. This is the brand, 32 Cool, at Costco. And this pair here is, they're not sweatpants, but they're kind of silky like the shorts. You know, we're going to Alaska. We want to be comfy. And this pair I also got at Cabela's. But look, it's got all kinds of pockets. It's got the slit up the foot here with a little gather. Pockets on the side. Pockets in the back. I think I'm ready for Alaska. What y'all think? Woohoo! I'm so ready to go. Today is the 30th, and I think we'll be crossing the border on Tuesday or Wednesday. We're at some friend's house now. We had to come here and get some packages. But, yeah, we're excited. So excited. We're just doing our last minute preparations to get ready. And, you know, we got, oh, I didn't know it. It has a slit in the back. How cool is that? It fits great. I love it. I had to get a bigger jacket than my regular clothes because they just run, they run small. So I wanted to make sure that if I wore a sweatshirt or something underneath it, that I'm not going to be miserable and it's not going to be too tight. So there you go. I'm ready to go. Okay, we're leaving good old Wal-Mart.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And headed to Costco to get a few things. And
A few things for the road.
yeah. So we will see y'all in a few.
Hey everybody, it's 10:30. We just got done shopping at Best Buy. Got sharing her new computer. And Marley helped us out in Best Buy. Got $100 off. MacBook Pro. Is that what it's called?
Yep, MacBook Pro.
16-inch.
Yep.
There you go.
It's the latest and the greatest.
Yep. So
Woohoo!
thanks Best Buy.
Awesome.
Head back to the rig.
All right. Mr. Childers, how is that sandwich?
Very good.
We're eating in the parking lot at Costco. And Kim and Darrell are inside eating Costco pizza. He's waiting on his truck to have tires put on it now. Got to be prepared for anything. Are we prepared?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Oh, look at that. They act like we're going into the wilderness or something. Look at all that food. Wow. Let's zoom in on that.
This is what $1,000 gets you.
Holy mackerel. Where are you putting all that stuff?
And we ain't coming back.
Well, I guess we're gonna eat good.
Like chicken.
About them mountains, huh?
Oh, I'm
They're all
telling
around
you.
us. There's a big one back over. You can't see it from the service station though. Darrell's truck, they just brought it out. He went to get it. They got the tires on. So it'll be about 10. There it comes now. So I'm standing here saving this spot because it got a little crowded around here. But this is a nice parking lot for a Costco.
It is.
Really.
It's huge.
It's a huge, one of the biggest ones I ever seen. And
Yes.
the one in Jacksonville's big. It's kind of like this one.
But this has got parking on all four sides.
Yeah, and the Lowe's is right there.
Yep.
Plenty of eateries around here. It's a great stop right off the interstate.
Yep.
So we're gonna meet the other. We're gonna go to Love's from here to get our fuel with our card. I don't know if y'all know it or not. We use that
Discount card.
our discount card. What's it called? I can't never remember the name of it. EFS, right there. So our diesel is gonna cost us like $3.76 maybe a gallon,
Awesome.
something like that. So anyway, it's supposed to be 80 here today.
Mm-hmm.
So it's hard to believe. 2 nights ago it was 26 degrees.
Right.
And no, that was last night in Dillon.
Yes.
That was last night. So we got up here.
No, last night we were here. It
Last
was
night
40
here
degrees.
night before, but it was still cold in Dillon
Right.
last night because that was 5,000 something feet. Here we're a little over 3,000. So it's starting to warm up, and trees are blooming. People are out. And if we had more time here, they have a lumberjack competition here this weekend. A lady told us about it. We'd love to go to it, but we ain't got the time because we really do need to get up the road.
Yes, we do.
So maybe next time, y'all.
Show you the situation that Darrell's in. He's got to back his truck under his fifth wheel, and we got this truck sitting here and that one sitting there.
We're standing here until he gets back in the truck so he can pull right through here
Right.
and go out right there.
Yes.
Because there's no other way. Unless he can back it all around and get around that curve there. But I think going through here, he can whip around
So
here.
here he
and go out.
comes. So we're going to see how good he is.
We won't tell him he's on video until later.
Oh, he knows he is. He likes being on video.
Look at the tires there.
That's a pretty smooth backing job there, y'all. This is what?
Highway 93 north to Kalispell.
Darrell's leading now.
He knows the route better than I do.
Yep.
He goes, we're going towards Spokane. What's the name of that little town we're going to over there?
Newport.
No, it's called, what's the address?
Oh. UCK or something like that. I don't know.
We don't know. We're going somewhere. Anyway, they know the way there. It's where their family lives, so we're going there. So they're in the front here. So I'm having to hold my Dodge back a little bit. He has an older Chevy, so I gave him a break.
And yes, that's a pretty view too. The whole state of Montana, especially on the west side.
Well, the east side's beautiful too. I mean,
Well, it is, but
Don't
this
get as
is
much
more
moisture.
mountainous.
it's
Yes.
a lot of farming over there too.
Yeah.
Here's more forestry, it's more mountainous.
Yep. Montana's one of my favorite states.